Just imagine the potential of earning up to $700 every day simply by inputting names online. It's truly incredible, isn't it? Let me explain how it works. You can make money by writing just one word or one name, like Michael or Bill. This is an amazing opportunity, and let me break down the potential income for you. For typing, you can earn $20 per word, and if you type 5 pages of names, you can earn $100. If you type 20 pages, you can make $400 each day. The best part is that there are no limits to how much you can earn by typing as much as you want. You can do this using your phone or computer, and the best part is that this opportunity is completely free and available to anyone worldwide. Make sure to watch till the end to understand the correct procedure, as it can be a bit challenging and many people get it wrong. We will guide you through the entire process, help you improve your skills, and teach you how to earn unlimited money online. But before we begin, welcome to AI Ninja. This channel is dedicated to showing you how to easily make money using the latest AI technology. Consider giving this video a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell so you stay updated on new and popular money-making techniques that we share. On our website, we can provide you with an estimate of how much money you can earn through this exciting opportunity. Pay close attention to the word rate, which is 10 cents in this case. For example, let's take a look at the first page of the project, then the second page, and finally the third page. Each of these pages consists of approximately 300 words, and you will be rewarded for entering names. Now let us demonstrate how this website works. You have the potential to earn $20 for writing 300-word articles. This means you can earn $20 simply by posting content on this website. With the possibility of receiving up to 20 pages per day, you can easily make $400 or even $600 daily by typing names on this platform. The first thing we want you to do is visit talentdesire.com, a website where you can work from home and earn money online without spending a single dollar. This opportunity is completely free and doesn't require any money or investment to get started, as you can see by scrolling down. They offer a variety of work-from-home options on this website, including online proofreading, freelance blogging, language translation, and paid online surveys. However, in this video, we will focus on online typing jobs because they are simple tasks that don't require experience or technical expertise. On this page, you'll find information about online typing jobs and their potential income, ranging from $13,000 to $527,000 annually. It's an amazing opportunity for individuals worldwide to earn money through fees and membership. You can see that registration is completely free, and there are no hidden fees before or after becoming a member. You will never be asked for any contributions. This opportunity works both ways, meaning you can benefit regardless of your skill level, whether you're a beginner or a professional. In a moment, we will reveal a secret tip that can help you earn a higher rate. Even as a beginner, you have the potential to be compensated at an advanced level. We will share this strategy with you exclusively, so no one else will know about it. But before we do that, let me ask you, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, now is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Please click on the button to subscribe to our newsletter and enable notifications for our future uploads. Now let's resume the video. We have an exciting bonus tip for you that can help you increase your earning rate when entering names online. Visit ratatype.com, the main website where you can take a free typing test. Click on the yellow icon to proceed, and you will be taken to a page where you can start typing using your mobile device or PC. Completing the typing tests on this website will earn you a certificate, which is why we highly recommend taking them. You can obtain the certificate for free, and we'll guide you through the process in this video. A typing certificate will boost your sales and earnings per page, making it a valuable asset. For instance, if you aim to earn $20 per page, having the certification is crucial. This is a powerful secret because having proof of your typing skills will lead to faster acceptance and open doors to high-paying opportunities and unlimited career prospects. By simply entering names as you see them, you can earn $400 or even $600 per day. Once you start typing on this page, your word per minute rate and accuracy will be calculated. It's important to stay tuned to learn exactly how to obtain the certificate and submit it on talentdesire.com. Your accuracy should be between 98% and 99.9%. Regardless of spelling or typing errors, the higher your accuracy, the better. Taking typing tests and acquiring a certificate will improve your precision and allow you to demonstrate your typing speed and accuracy on this website, which in turn will increase your payout rate significantly. We'll now demonstrate how to complete these tests quickly and earn your certificate for free in less than 5 minutes using a real-world example. Once you finish typing, your typing speed will be displayed below. These are our actual results. You can return to ratatype.com. If your typing speed or accuracy is below 98%, repeat the free typing test until you improve. Now that you have the results, scroll down and sign up for a free account. Click on the provided link and enter your name, email address, and password to create your free account. Accept the terms and conditions and click on the yellow sign up button. It's right here. Once registered, you can log into your Ratatype account. On the dashboard, you'll see your name displayed along with your typing speed and accuracy results. If you scroll down, you'll find your certificate. Clicking on it will take you to a page where it states that the certificate was granted to you for your proficiency in typing English. The certificate includes a signature from ratatype.com, which adds authenticity and can lead to increased compensation. Keep watching as we guide you through the process of signing up, registering, and applying for a typing job on talentdesire.com, where you can start receiving typing gigs like the one shown. To print the certificate, you can click the button provided, or you can save it as an image or PDF file on your computer or mobile device by clicking the Save button. This is the actual certificate we obtained for free from the Ratatype website. Once you have the certification, you can proceed to apply for the job. Now let's navigate to talentdesire.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the red Apply button. This will take you to a page where you can begin the application process. When you reach the application page, scroll down to find the section that says Choose an Application. Click on the red link provided, and it will direct you to a page with an online application for working from home. Scroll to the bottom of that page and look for the red link that says Apply and Work for Us to provide your information. If you're having trouble locating the registration page, please review the video again, or bookmark, or save it to your playlist for future reference. Remember, you will need to provide your personal information on this page. The first step is to review the privacy policy. After that, you need to enter your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. If you click the down arrow, you'll see that talentdesire.com welcomes people from various countries, including India, the Philippines, Nigeria, the United States, the United Kingdom, Pakistan, and others. Moving on to the next phase, this part focuses on your professional information, which is crucial and often misunderstood by many. Fill out the job title section exactly as shown and select the appropriate format. You can choose your preferred working hours by clicking the down arrow. It is recommended to select the entire day for more options and potential earnings. Select your preferred payment method, such as PayPal, PayPal wire transfer, or direct deposit. Choose your professional standing, for example, self-employment, and click Continue after entering all the required information. Confirm that you have read and accepted the terms and conditions by clicking Yes, I have read and accepted. Finally, provide your signature by entering your full name and complete the verification step by confirming that you're not a robot. Click the Submit button. Once your application is accepted, you can start receiving typing jobs like the one mentioned earlier, where you can earn $20 for typing a 300-word page. This applies to each page you type, so if there are 24 pages, you can earn an additional $20 for the second page, and so on. It's important to submit the completed work on time to continue receiving daily jobs. That's all for today's video. If you found it informative and enjoyable, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.